In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from desktop view to mobile view in Webflow, a skill essential for anyone looking to enhance their web design adaptability across different devices. Webflow makes it incredibly easy to transition between device views, allowing you to fine-tune your website for the best user experience. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, open the project you're working on. It's always a good idea to have this ready, so you can dive straight into the design work you've been working on. After opening your project, navigate directly to the designer. This is where the magic happens, and where you will make the necessary adjustments to ensure your website looks impeccable on all devices. Once you're in the designer view, take a look at the toolbar situated at the top. Here, you'll see a row of device icons representing different screen sizes. These icons are your new best friends as they allow you to toggle between desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait views. It's by using these that you can preview exactly how your site will render across various platforms. To check how your design fares on mobile devices, click on the mobile portrait icon. This choice gives you a look at how your website will appear on a typical smartphone screen. And if you want to visualize how it looks on wider mobile devices like larger smartphones or phablets, you can click the mobile landscape icon. Webflow will automatically adjust the display so you can see how your elements stack, resize, and rearrange on these smaller screens. Now, as you enter mobile view, it's crucial to make mobile-specific adjustments. Start by refining font sizes, margins, and padding to suit a smaller screen. This step enhances readability and maintains aesthetic harmony. If necessary, employ flexbox or grid settings to realign elements for optimal flow and visual appeal. Don't forget to use the display settings in the style panel to hide or show specific elements exclusively for mobile users, ensuring your design stays clean and relevant. Once satisfied with the mobile layout, switching back to the desktop or tablet version is just as simple. Navigate to the top of the designer once more and click either the desktop or tablet icons. It's worth mentioning that Webflow smartly keeps your adjustments device-specific. This means any changes made for mobile won't inadvertently disrupt your desktop design, a feature that's incredibly handy for maintaining consistent quality across all platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully switched views in Webflow, customizing your design for optimal performance on any device. This process ensures that your site provides a seamless and visually appealing experience regardless of how it's accessed. Thanks for watching and happy designing.